Yeah, I'm Hugh Bigalk, the city traffic engineer for Goodyear, Arizona. Yeah, the city of Goodyear, Arizona is a city of about 111,000 people. Intersection-wise, we have approximately 120 signalized intersections. Transportation-wise, we're basically a grid system. The two major corridors through the city are Interstate 10, which runs east-west between Phoenix and Los Angeles. Then we also have State Route 303, which heads north to the North Valley. So we have, again, those two corridors, and then, of course, the intersecting streets that are in the vicinity of the freeway as well. And also have approximately, I believe we're just short of around 800, around the vicinity of 800 devices that are managed as part of our transportation network. If we roll back to 2008, when we started here, we started off with the fiber backbone at that time was approximately 3 or 4 miles in length, 15 signals. And now we're up to almost 120 or around 120, and we've added a significant amount of fiber. Clearly, the city has grown. Need for increased bandwidth, obviously a significant increase in the number of devices, and also what's being transmitted on those devices. Not specifically what it is, but the bandwidth requirements of those additional devices. As like, for instance, for our CCTV cameras and video detection, that the requirements or the size of the packets or the information it's pushing is a lot more than it was even 10 years ago. So that, again, our bandwidth requirements, it seems, are always increasing, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. What we were looking for is upgrading our city's core network system here. And we had some older devices that were failing at the time. And we reached out to EtherWAN. EtherWAN proposed some solutions to us, and it's worked very well. But I would say also stress that one of the big advantages to EtherWAN is local support. That's one thing that cannot be duplicated by a lot of the, again, switch or communication companies, is they don't have a local presence here in, we'll say, Arizona or in Phoenix in general. And that's where EtherWAN, I'd say in this case, puts them over the top with their local support. So when it comes to, again, selecting a device, it's not just for, we're talking either cable, we're talking for anything relating to transportation as within transportation communication, is that sometimes there are issues with these devices. I mean, it's not related to the device. It may be something completely unrelated, but needs to be resolved. And when we can't solve that, we have to reach out and get support. And the advantage of local support is, again, not having to wait in a phone queue, talk to somebody 2,000, 3,000, 8,000 miles away, and being able to also have that person on site within a couple hours or maybe half a day is a tremendous value-added service that we definitely value from EtherWAN. So this wasn't like a new stand-up project from nothing to setting up a network. It had to communicate and basically coexist with existing field equipment, as in existing field switches. So we started our most recent project. The need was a off-the-shelf product that had 12 10 gigabit ports on a switch. EtherWAN, through Clark Transportation, has been very helpful in helping us with our network and our network needs. So today we have approximately 116 signalized intersections that are connected back here to the EtherWAN core switches located here in the Traffic Management Center. So I would say when it came to the equipment we selected through the help of EtherWAN, that yes, I feel that our network is well suited for the, we'll call it the near-term future, as, again, technology evolves very quickly, but I feel we're well prepared for the near term in terms of our network. Again, the city with the Clark Transportation and EtherWAN have had a very successful relationship to date, and we look forward to coordinating with them on our future needs moving forward.